Okay, so this is what we talked about. We talked about this move happening before the open. Okay, so you guys should be live. So this is a really, really important low here. Massive low. So we're just breaking through it at the moment. This is before the market's open. So it's very early, 10 minutes before the market's opened. I hope it keeps going. Keep going. So we've broken that low. This is crazy. Just doesn't meet my rules, so you can't have a guess. We're not going to have a guess.
Order submitted.
Okay, just make sure that works.
Order canceled.
Okay, that works. That's good. We'll leave it on that. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, just not clean enough yet. We're going to have to wait for the open. We've still got, so it's only 5 minutes away. But it's successfully gone through that low, but it's come back up. So that's a good sign. Yeah, it's giving it a little bit of time to catch up. That's the only problem, isn't it? It's a great reversal bar on the 2 that it's come all the way back up like that quick. So we've got the 5-minute bar closing. Again, that's a reversal. It's going to be interesting. We'll wait and let the market tell us what it's going to do. We don't know what it's going to do, so. But five minutes to go. So we're going to get a big gap down on the open at the moment, down 275 points on the Nasdaq, but we're right near a significant low. So I mean, it has to hold this low. If it holds this low, I mean, that was a really strong finish on the 60-minute last night. Still drifting down. Yeah, just a very strong level there. And then the next level is there. So I'll leave that one there. Got a couple too many on here. Okay, that's the next level there. And then we'll put this other one in here. There's another one down there as well. So even though we're dropping at the moment, it's dropping pretty slowly. The futures is there to predict what the cash is going to open at, so it's waiting to see what the cash is going to do. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Now, there has been a lot of volatilities on the open, so it doesn't mean just because I think this, I'm going to take it. It needs to meet rules as well, obviously. Don't do it. I just can't do it. Can't mess with momentum on this one. Okay, so there's one. There's the close. Come on, go back down. Don't work. I'll probably do a PPT, but so you can see how there's a whole heap of small bars here. So it's just done that move and it's not working. It's not going anywhere. So there's no one buying behind it. So I think everyone's waiting for the open, which is in 1 minute. Okay, so here we go. So 20 seconds to go. We've already been drifting down. Here we go. that's good. I didn't want to take that. Oh, look at that. Last 2 seconds. That's crazy. Wow. That's how quickly it can happen. That was sold into. Last 2 seconds, it closed strong. That is a 42 point bar. It was a 61 point bar. Wow. So like I said before the open, this is what I was expecting. I was expecting us to go up. Wasn't going short. Now we've got to see how strong this is. Is that just a quick short term up? Yep. No. Well, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, this is going to go. We're going to have to wait for a little. Hopefully, we get a little bit of a pullback here. So what I freaked out at a little bit. The entry bar that I was looking at was 61 points, and that's double the average bar. I was going to do 25 contracts tonight too, so that would have been quite a bit of risk based on that. So chickened out a little bit. I'll just check the 5. Still got a minute 15 to go on the 5. If we close really strong on the 5, it's funny, we've gone from now short-term momentum is down on the 5. So let's see if we can close really strong on the 5, then we might get a little bit of a move back down to like 25%. What's that high there? I'll just put that level in there. So that level is the previous high. So if we can close strong on the 5 with 40 seconds to go and then drop down to there, it needs to close above that now though. Don't do it now. Okay, 12 seconds to go. It's coming down a little bit. Ugh, closed okay, not great. Okay, so we need to test this level now and bounce off it. on, come down again and bounce off it. It's touched it twice there. There's another time it's bounced off it, so
Order filled. Order filled.
yeah, that's okay. When I see I'm that much up, I just can't stay in these trades. It's funny. It's something I've got to work on. But anyway, that's pretty good. Why was it only $275 on the bottom account? Anyway, I'm $1,000 off passing these, so if I just stayed in, I would have passed it. Well, I said during the webinar, the goal for this week was $500 a day. I mean, it's just so stupid. This is such a stupid job. It's so easy. Like, I literally talked through that exactly what I thought it was going to do. Close in opposite fifths on the 5, closed strong, came back down to 25%, tested this high, touched it twice. It's just trade with a trend. Why would you do anything except trade with a trend? It's just stupid. Damn it. Jimmy, I think you need to unmute your side. I don't think I'm on mute. If I was on mute, I'd be getting everybody saying we can't hear you. I think everyone can hear me, so I think you might be muted. Mother. God damn it, Cam. Really. Like that has now done, well, that did 40 points and then 30. Jesus, that's done 70 points. Wow. 70 points in... yeah, literally like 3 minutes. That's 131 points on that. Oh, that's right. I just realised I took it with 10. That's why I took it with 10, yeah. Okay, well, that's a lot of price now. But I said this before the open. I said that it just didn't look right. It was just such a really slow pullback on the higher time frames. We're drifting down before the open. So momentum was slowing. It just built that base. You see, it just built this base down here, slow. Going up it is. But now we've got this pullback, and now it's a little bit more than a pullback. This is a pretty strong sell-off, but we're going from above to below now, so we may get, let's see if we can come down. That was very interesting there because it really had a good base to give it a really good run. And that has just been absolutely hammered. It's sold into. So we've got 3 minutes to go on the 15-minute. So 15-minute chart. And you can see that that's going to close really poorly. Oh, this is going to be tempting, isn't it? Come on, just come down for a little bit. Create a little bit of a base here. Turn around for me. Okay, 2 minutes to go. So this is a really, really important point. 15 minutes, so 2 minutes to go. If they want this market to go up, it's going to have to go really hard in the next 2 minutes up. It's going to have a strong 15-minute close, and it doesn't look like it is at the moment. Minute and a half to go. Yeah, that momentum is really strong. I don't think it's going to do it. This is where, if this was anywhere in the past month, it would rocket up from here. It's been that strong as a bull market. Anytime there's been a pullback where it's been cheap, it's rocketed up. So it has to do it now. It's got 45 seconds to do it. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like it's going to, it's actually getting worse. So that is a really big indication. Strong on the 5, really, really poor close on the 15. Okay, well there you go. Who would have thunk it? Might get a little bit of it now. Now it's gone. Okay, we can go up for a little bit now, but okay. Well, this could be a really big indication that there's a really like a change of sentiment in the market now. As I said, for the past couple of months, it's pretty much just been anytime you get a pullback, it's really gone up. We got that on the open. Beautiful move on the open. That is funny. Slow, 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 slow. Oh, well, I think we could go up for a little bit here, but I can't trade it. It's below purple, so can't trade it. Momentum's down. And look at that. 37 points. Boom. This is how stupid this stuff is, guys. How easy is this? Really, really wanted to take that. Well, at the moment, I'm still on, obviously still in the early stages of the funded accounts with the Apex accounts and still just about to pass these. Once I'm up heaps on the funded accounts, once I've got a really good buffer, I'll take those. I'll just take everything. Just got to be careful at the start. I'm up on the Apex accounts. I'm just about to pass these. I'll try and pass these tonight or tomorrow. Might just got to be maybe just a little bit aggressive on another trade. Try and pass the take profit ones. I think I can't do the lucid ones because they have a consistency rule. So I can't make any more than $1,500, and I'm already $500 up. So I can only make 1,000 more, and that'll leave me $500 short. So. Oh God, this looks nice. Yeah, no. This is so interesting. This is what it needed before. It needed to do this before the close of the 15, but. Okay, one more good trade. Most of these bars are doing 20, 30 points after the entry bars, so you really only need one or two good trades a day. I saw a stat today, apparently it was from Top Step, that said that people on evals average 200 trades. Was it 200 trades a week? 200 trades a week? And people on funded average 18 trades a week. So you can see why so many people are blowing their evals, because there's just, I don't know how you get 200 trades in a week. It's like 40 trades a day. That's just gambling. Okay, so we're getting volatile now. Unfortunately, I mean, if you look at the 5 minutes, it's the really good idea of where we're at with things. It's just there's no one in control at the moment. We don't know who's winning. It's tried to go up. It's tried to go down. We're just going to be stuck in this range. So we don't really know which direction it's going in. So we're going to have to sit back and wait for the market to tell us what it's going to do. And that's the hard part about trading, sitting back. Yeah, there's just no trend. Nothing. These point swings are incredible at the moment. I cannot believe it. It's crazy. The bars look quite small, but each bar is like 20 points. So this is really easy to get chopped up here. Really easy to just try and trade during this, and we're just stuck. It's done that big move on the open, then come back down really hard. So it's just got to consolidate now for a little while. We're not going to guess. We don't guess, we follow. So a little bit too close to the camera there, Cam. Anuka, Anka, the time frame is actually on the chart. If you actually look in the bottom right hand corner, you can see there's a countdown. So it tells you what the time frame is on the screen. But I trade all time. There's not one time frame that I trade. I trade multiple time frames. So, but on YouTube, we've got limited space and limited things we can do. So. Just get a quick move down, that'd be nice, because then we could go long. I'm still bullish on this. Oh, gee, just listen to me. There we go. It's so funny. And sometimes I've said that and it's done it this week. Let's see if we can get a level that we're looking at here. Let's just come down to that level there. So that's going to be the first one. Be nice if we could just come down a little bit further. It's not going to get down to there. Oh, I wish. That'd be nice if it came down to there. That is a long way away. Down to that low down there. So fingers crossed. Okay, well maybe it's going to, if it can come down to this level, that would be just, yeah, I just don't think it's going to get down there. Don't go yet. Now what's really interesting at the moment is we're going down, but the rate that it's going down is very slow. So that means that even though we're going down, it's not exactly like the sellers are really in control here. Up has been much stronger. So this is a really important level coming up. Let's see if we can find support here. This I just don't think this is the one to do 25 contracts on this. It's still stuck in a range. So if it does do something here, I'll probably do 10. Okay, so this is the low right here, right on the low now. Minute 51 to go on the 5. It's just not slowing yet. We need another 2 minutes or so at this level. We need to hold. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. It's good. So momentum is straight down at the moment. We need momentum to slow a little bit. It's holding here. It actually looks okay. "25 seconds to go on this 5. Motherfucker, Cam. Hesitated. Honestly, could you call it any better? $29 points. It's going to give us another chance because that's a good bar on the 5. So I'll come back down and test this level again. Might even break through it this time. Oh, God. God, this is crazy. Wow, that was interesting. That got sold into really quick. Just look, it didn't meet the rules, so that's it. I can harp on about not taking that trade, but it didn't meet the rules, so that's fine. Trend and momentum was still straight down, so even though it worked, it doesn't really count. Wow. Okay, this is crazy. Oh. What level do we have? Oh, I've got a lot of lines there, Cam. There's a lot going on here. And that's it there. Oh, God, okay, maybe. Oh, that is, what is that line there? Okay, that's it there. Oh, God, this is Okay, this is a huge low coming up. Really, really significant. This low here. So we've got a minute and 12 seconds to go on the 5. And I think they're going to keep it down there for the next minute and then it'll turn around. They love doing this where they close the bar really strong on the downside or the upside, and they close the bar really strong on the 5. And all the amateurs get in. So they've got to convince people to go short here. Damn you, Nasdaq. Hold, come on, get back down. I'd be very, very, very careful being short right now. 5 minutes closed. See if it just does a little bit of a move. It's not going down. Oh, did it again. Last couple of seconds. 16 points straight away. Just hasn't had enough time to flatten out. So we're going to have to wait for long-term momentum to catch up here. I think that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for long-term and short-term to get in sync. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that. Came down to that low. Big turn. Big support at that level. 23 points. Well, wakey wakeys, we're going to get something soon. God, it's actually going to meet for a short. There's no way. Okay, that's good. Came back up. Did I do the same thing again? Oh no. Okay, well this has worked out a little bit differently than I thought. I thought we'd get a quick turnaround here. That's a really significant low and we've just drifted through it. And the next level is quite a fair way. Okay, well, this is interesting. Well, it's actually boring because we've got to sit here and wait, but it's interesting. I thought we'd find some support here and bounce, but we're just going to drift down. So there's obviously a big change. It's going to be I mean, if it closes like this, it's going to be a very strong bar on the hourly. Closing through a level. So it looks like we've still got 3 hours to go on that. It looks like that is the next target. Okay, well, not what I expected. Yeah, it's just too dangerous to buy here. I thought it was going to bounce. This is just really slowly. Oh, here we go. Last couple of seconds it did something. Let's see if this does anything. No, it's getting sold into. Has to recover quickly. Yep, no. Oh. Yeah, that's a pretty good sign. It's come back up, but really no trading here. Gotta wait for something clearer. It's not the right pattern yet. This could be. Okay, not going anywhere. Let's go stretch for a couple of seconds. Well, this price action is horrible. Well, I can't see a short here. We're well into a price phase. We're just slowing with that. Yep. The only thing I can see is a possible long, but that's against the trend at the moment, so. Okay, well, YouTube, that's the hour done. And we're up Oh, it's a bit of a myriad of things, isn't it? 465, 430, 27. I don't, that first account. What a piece of shit. That's a bit weird, actually. But anyways, so it's all positive. I'm going to keep trading. I'll be going for a while. Oh, here we go. Let's just watch this. Is that you going to do it now? Is that what you're going to do? Yeah, it didn't break through that high, so. So no clear trend of momentum, and this is the first bar after a time phase. Probably drift here, but yeah, that's got sold into. Let's just see if it recovers. Might be a quick little dump before they push up through this high. That's exactly what they did. Damn it. Not good enough for me. Not a trade, not good enough. Not trend time bar. So yes. Okay, guys. YouTube, I'm going to wrap things up. Gee, we've got a lot more people watching now, which is good. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and hopefully you're enjoying it. It's a little bit different to what everybody else does. No talking. Well, there's a little bit of talking, but no music, no giveaways, no crap. You can see all my account details shown, and I'm doing everything live. So this is what real trading is about. We're trying to actually give you an insight into what actual real trading is about, not entertainment and giveaways and content and excitement and music and all that sort of crap. So it does require a lot of concentration to do this job. So, but thanks for watching. We'll see how we